Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the YouTube app on your Android device. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and also subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now YouTube is pre-installed on most of the Android devices. So if you have an Android device, it will already be pre-installed and you will no longer need to download the application of YouTube. You simply need to update it if it hasn't yet been updated. But if you don't already have it pre-installed on your device, then you can head over to Play Store and then search for YouTube. Now you can see a button for install. You can tap on the install button, and after a few seconds the application will be downloaded on your device. So that's how you can download YouTube on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.